I have an announcement today. Today, you might see something different. My profile has changed to Butterdog. You know why? Because mostly I don't want my sister pointing out, oh, it's us, and mostly, yeah. And I really just want to change my name because the name doesn't even fucking fit right. Like, you see half of my subscribers, one is straight up gone. One is straight up a kid. Well, I'm 9 years old. I don't know how old is this kid. I mean 9 years old, like you can tell. And the last two are African. And one of them doesn't even have videos. Like, look, like, bro! What? And I have to change my name to Butterdog. That's why. Also, my name is Larry This Cat. My Roblox account is Larry This Catnap. And Butterdog? Makes sense. Cat and a dog. Cat and a dog. Anyways, I hope you guys understand. And this probably not gonna have any views, so you can leave now. You're going to leave? You want to see to react to my videos? I'm gonna troll AI so bad. Let's go.
I'm going to invite my friend.